Some time ago, I shared Hausa cocoa dry flour mix, which was inspired by Nanaba's kitchen. And just recently, we made millet drink and millet powder on this channel. Today, we are making spiced millet porridge or Hausa cocoa using millet powder or millet flour. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make simple Ghanaian, traditional and intercontinental recipes. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. In this sieve, I will add all the spices that I'll be using to get the authentic roadside Hausa cocoa. I will advise you take notes of the spices I am using because that is going to give you the Zongo Hausa cocoa taste. And also, I will list all the ingredients in the description, so please check it out and take notes of it. I'll add water to it and wash it very well. Now, I chose this style of washing the spices, but feel free to do whatever will be okay for you. Once I'm done washing these spices, I will set it aside and start washing the ginger. Now, the ginger, I'm not going to be peeling the skin of it because of its medicinal benefits it gives. However, you can peel it if that is what you want. So I make sure to remove any black substance, just make sure to wash it very well if you are not peeling the skin of it. If today is the first time ever hearing my voice, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You are warmly welcome to my kitchen where I share with you cooking and baking recipes, both Ghanaian and intercontinental dishes. I will be very much glad if we become friends, so kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let me know in the comments you too was here some. So once everything is washed in a blender, I'm going to add in some millet powder, and I have a link in the description how you can make your millet powder at home. But better still, you can buy it from shops. Now I used about 1 cup of the millet flour. I'll add the spices that I washed to it and add enough water. The blender and give it a very good shake for the millet flour to mix with the water, and then I will go ahead and blend it very nicely. So this is the millet mixture. I'm gonna pour it in a bowl and add in more water to it. Rinse the blender and add in the water to it. Now don't be afraid to add more water to it. No, just add more water. I mean more water. Now the next thing to do is to strain or sieve it. That has a lid. I'm gonna cover this and let it rest for like 4 to 5 hours. However, I kept mine for 8 good days. So yes, you can keep this mixture in your refrigerator for more than a week. So this is how it's looking like after the 8 days in the refrigerator. it has really settled down. Now I'm going to pour the water that has settled on top of the main food in a cooking pot and then transfer it to the fire. Now see how it's looking like. For once I thought it was, spoiled, but no, it was okay. So I'm going to, try bringing, because it has really settled down. I'm trying to bring it out. I don't know how to, explain it, but as you can see in the video. So what I did is to take some in a glass and put it aside because I wanted to drink zokom. So you can as well use this as your millets drink later. Yes, that is what I did. You know how we do it, right? Just check the link down in the description and you are going to find how millets drink, or how it is done. Now the water is boiling. So the method I used in making my cocoa is quite different from what people use in doing their cocoa. So literally what I do is I pour some of the hot water into the cocoa mixture and then stir it very well to make sure that it is well mixed. Now I'll transfer this mixture and pour it in the hot pan or hot cooking pot that I used in boiling the hot water. So from here you cook or you prepare the cocoa the way that you want it and the way that is best for you. But this is how it works for me. I stir it for 30 seconds and then cover it for additional 30 seconds and then come back 30 seconds. It was just up and down, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. But then anytime I am stirring the cocoa, I make sure to on the fire. So basically I did this till the cocoa started, thickening. That is when I off the fire completely and then cover it for additional 2 minutes. Note that my fire was off when I covered it for 2 minutes. That is when it had thickened. So you can see the cocoa is very, very light, and that is how I want it. You can make yours thick. It depends on you. So after I added my sugar and then enjoyed it with some KOOSE. Now I'm going to leave the link of the KOOSE recipe with egg down in the description, so kindly check it out. Or better still, you can enjoy with some bofrot or some bread. And please check these videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. But before I leave you, always remember to do everything in love. Whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Choose.